The Bombay High Court on Wednesday asked Elgar Parishad-Koregaon Bhima accused Vernon Gonsalves to explain why he kept objectionable material in his home and specifically pointed to a copy of Leo Tolstoy's War and Peace. Now, the classic novel written by the Russian author is taught at several universities. Even the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was influenced by it. Several accused like Sudha Bhardwaj, Surendra Gadling, Shoma Sen, Mahesh Rao, Tarun Farera, Vernon Gonsalves and others have been arrested and are in jail, booked under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. They have not yet been granted bail, for which hearings are on in the Bombay High Court. The comments came during arguments by the accused's lawyers. Saurabh joining us at this point for more on that. Saurabh, those comments have evoked an absolute furor, particularly given how famous and how widespread War and Peace is as a novel. It's taught in universities, as you pointed out. And why would keeping a copy of it in any way need to be explained to anyone?
Well, exactly, yes, that's the question. And in fact, I spoke to lawyers who were arguing the case, and they said that, while this is something that the police have been saying, that there's been a lot of objectionable material being recovered from the homes of these activists, the lawyers say that there have been no bail for 1 year, and that is something that they say is a matter of concern. And then, of course, a comment like this from the court is something that was completely unexpected. Now, the court was in general referring to some of the objectionable material that has been stated by the police, but also specifically referred to Leo Tolstoy's classic War and Peace, which perhaps all of us may even have a copy at home for. And that is something that perhaps is what is being questioned here. And also another fact that is being questioned is that there has been a year that has passed since these arrests have taken place, and on the basis of a letter that the police claim to have recovered from one of these activists, they say that there was a much bigger plot that went way beyond the Bhima-Koregaon, and which is why they have booked these activists under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Now, while bail is not easy to come by under this law, the legal principle that bail is normal and jail is the exception does take a backseat when it comes to UAPA, because these are very serious charges. But the question is, in that case, the bail hearings are argued upon. In this case, it's been a year, and the question that is now being raised is if objectionable material that is being talked about amounts to a book that many people know of, then perhaps the delay is unnecessary and the agencies have been delaying it unnecessarily. That's the argument that the accused lawyers are making.
All right.